Today, we're gonna try and fix this. Okay, so last drift event, we had a pair of these on the front, and unfortunately, the track took literal chunks out of the tire. So we got one right here, one right there, kind of ripped the whole side of it. It's pretty bad, and it's definitely like time for a new tire, but we're gonna see if we can manage it. So what we're gonna try, we're gonna see if JB-Weld can fix chunks missing out of a tire. Let's do it. We tried airing it up earlier, but as you can see, it's kind of hard to see that, but it really doesn't hold much pressure at all. So it's definitely got a slow leak somewhere in there. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, we'll start out with about that much. Get a nice little gray mixture going there to match the tire. All right, I guess we'll just start with this chunk right here. See what happens. It's honestly filling it in pretty good, not gonna lie. I'm trying to get the JB-Weld to where it's flush with the tread there. Now, whenever it's drying, it might expand or contract. I don't really know which one, but we'll see what happens. Professional tire repair right there. All right, guys, patch number 1 done. Let's go ahead and rotate the tire and look at the next one. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, this side's good. All right, guys, we got all the chunks missing, JB welded together, so I might smooth it out a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and flatten out some spots that didn't get flattened out at first. I'm gonna let it dry for a couple hours and take it for a drive. That'll be sketchy. Don't try this at home. It's now, what, like 6 o'clock? So do you think that's gonna work, Joe? Do you think that's gonna work?
I hope so.
You hope so?
Yeah.
And what's the alternative? The JB-Weld's pretty much dry for the most part. And as you can see, not the best looking repair, but I don't think everyone's ever done this before either, so.
For good reason, probably.
Yeah. So here's the plan.
Yeah.
Okay, so the plan is, we're not gonna run these on the street, 'cause that's stupid. Also, guys, don't try this at home. I mean, unless you get like a private track. Even then, we're not responsible. We're gonna put our burners, well, this tire and the other one in the trunk, and we're gonna go to Mexico, and we're gonna test it out there. So now what we gotta do, we gotta fit this tire, plus another one, a jack, and hopefully a jack stand. Jack stand's optional, but I'd really like to have a jack stand. So, and, God. It'll fit. It'll fit. I don't see this happening, Joe. I don't know about this, dude. Who thought this was a good idea? All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take the trunk lid off to make things easier, right?
Yeah.
Work smart, not hard, boys. That moment when your trunk just can't handle all your junk.
I hope you feel good about that one. Insert. Reason why Joe is deaf. Ding. Got it.
We got the JB-Weld tire on there, all safe and sound. Time to go to Mexico, AKA Zach's house. Sorry, Zach. So we just left and we almost forgot completely to put air in the tire. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that because you can't really drive a tire with no air. But you can drive a tire that has air with JB-Weld on it, I think.
Here's hoping.
All right, guys, we're out here in Mexico. So, private property, don't try this at home, let's do it. So this right here is a JB-Weld tire. So we're gonna go ahead. This was the set we were running at the drift event. This tire fared a lot better than this one. I think it's because this was the leading tire on all the 60 mile an hour entries. But yeah, let's go and swap them on and let's see how quick we can do it. Drop a comment right now before we drive it. What do you think is gonna happen? I'm curious to see what you all think. All right, guys, here we go. The JB-Weld tire is on. We're about to take it for a ride and see if she holds air. Let's do it. All right, guys, here we go. So far, so good. It doesn't really feel too much different. I think we're still good. We're still good. I can't believe this is working right now. I'm gonna let it rip real quick. No way. I don't know how this is working right now.
Yeah?
It definitely kind of grinded it out a little bit. Dude, it's still there, like, it's holding air, man. Wow.
Oh my god, that smells like.
Somehow, some way, the JB-Weld is still on there. This is really impressive. Like, look at that. Wow. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked this, make sure to drop a like, smash that like button. Obviously, if you're not subscribed yet, go and subscribe and hit that stupid bell. I hate that dumb bell, but hit the bell because you'll get notified for all our new videos. So if you guys want to see more like this, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, we'll see y'all later. This turned out really well. So the answer is yes, you can use JB-Weld to patch your tire. I wouldn't recommend it though. Alright guys, that's it. Peace out. We'll see y'all next time.